And now it's time for
Calculation Nation.
with your host, Terence Campo.
Hello and welcome back to Calculation Nation. Today we're going to start some basic programming on the calculator. I figured for our first intro to programming we'd do a little work with the Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem, good old Pythagorean theorem, states that in a right triangle with legs A and B and hypotenuse C, that the sum of the squares of the legs, a squared plus b squared, is equal to the square of the hypotenuse, c squared. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Most people are familiar with this. That is, for example, if we have a right triangle with legs 3 and 4, to find this third side, c, we add up 3 squared plus 4 squared and set that equal to c squared. This equals 9 plus 16 equal to c squared is 25 equal to c squared. So to find this just c, we got to take the square root of this sum, and we get 5 equal to c squared. Just c. So let's get started on our program that's going to do this for us. Alright, so for programming, what we're going to do is press the program key. It's third one down, and it says PRGM, program. Go to program, we're going to go over to new, and we're going to press create new, enter. It goes right into alpha mode, and so you just type in the name for the program. Here we're going to write in Pythagorean, or just Pyth. Alright, now this is going to be a program. It's going to just find, if we have A and B, it's going to find our C. So the first thing we want to do, and this is for most programs, is we're going to enter, you can find all your program keys underneath program. So you just press program again, and we're going to go to IO, that's for input output. And we're going to go down to clear home. That's going to clear out the calculator. That's the first thing that it does. So start with a fresh clean screen. And then we're going to enter in under program to display. Display, and then we're going to run it. Open quotes, and it'll just display any words that we type inside of quotes. Okay, and that will just put up a display that we want to put in A and B for our Pythagorean theorem. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go to program again. Program. And we're going to press prompt. It's going to prompt for first A. It's going to ask for a variable A. And if I put a comma, it'll do it again for B. Alright, now the program will take in A and B, and we got to tell it what to do with it. We need to add up A squared plus B squared. A squared plus B squared. Just type it in, and we're going to set it equal to, and for this you're going to press the store key, which is right above the on key on your keyboard, and we're going to put that into variable D, okay, because that's going to be equal to our c squared, right? So to find our c, what we actually need to do is take the square root of d, and we'll set that into our c variable. All these variables you can use interchangeably. I like to use ones that make sense to me. A, B, and C, obviously. So once we do that, we just need to display. So you go back to program, input output, display, and just the letter C, no quotes, otherwise it's going to actually put C. If we put display C, it's going to put in the value for C. And that should do it. Now quit, and we'll go to our program, and we'll go to execute, and we'll try out our new program. So we're going to press enter to start it up. Enter A equals 3, B equals 4, and there it is, C equal to 5. Beautiful. Alright, well, we successfully wrote a program that will find C if we're given it A and B. If you'd like to try it home, you can maybe come up with a program that finds A or B respectively. It doesn't matter, those are arbitrary. But it's good practice for you, and hopefully you get a good idea of what's going on here. So we'll put a review of what features we put of programming down in the description. Also, if you have any ideas for an episode or something you'd like to ask, please leave it in the comment section and subscribe. Alright, that's it for this episode of Calculation Nation, and I will calc you later.